In this video, we will start with the chapter Force and Pressure with the topic Newton's laws of motion. So first we have Newton's first law of motion, which is also called as law of inertia. Inertia basically has been derived from a Latin word which means inert and unchanging. So from the first law of motion we have every object continues to be in a state of rest or in a state of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change that state by external force exerted upon it. So if you want to change the state of a body, means if it is in rest and you want to be that object in motion, you have to apply some external force, and if object is in motion and you want to stop, you have to apply some external force. This is basically the Newton's first law of motion. That means every object resists the change in the position either in a state of rest or in a state of motion of object. Next we have inertia, and we have three types of inertia, that is inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction. So rest means if an object does not change its position with respect to time, and motion is if an object changes position with respect to time. So inertia of rest is the tendency of a body to continue in its state of rest even when some external unbalanced force is applied on it. It is called inertia of rest. Means if it is in rest, it resists the change to come in motion. Next we have inertia of motion. Means the tendency of a body to continue in its state of motion even when some external unbalanced force is applied on it. So it is called inertia of motion. Means if it is in motion, it will tries to continue in its motion. It will resist to come in rest. Next we have inertia of direction. The tendency of a body by which it is unable to change the direction of motion unless some external unbalanced force is applied on it is basically the inertia of direction. Means it will resist to change the direction, and this we have inertia basically three types: the inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction. So we have Newton's first law of motion, that if an object is in a state of rest, it will tries to continue in a state of rest, and if it is in motion, it will continue to be in a state of motion until and unless it is compelled by some external force. So that's all about Newton's first law of motion.